Hi everyone, you're welcome back to this channel. If this is your first time here, you are most welcome. On this channel, I share practical knowledge about the sachet and bottled water production business to help you improve quality, increase profit, and avoid costly mistakes. Today's topic is very important because many water producers unknowingly operate with dirty reverse osmosis system. The water may still look clean, but the quality could already be dropping. Your production cost may be increasing and your equipment could be slowly getting damaged. In this video, I will show you the common signs that your reverse osmosis system is dirty, why it happens, and what you should do before it affects your business. So stay with me till the end because the final sign is what most factory owners completely ignore. Before we begin, let's briefly understand what reverse osmosis system actually does. The reverse osmosis system, often known as the RO system, is the heart of any modern sachet or bottled water production. Its main job is to remove bacteria, viruses, dissolved salt, heavy metal, chemicals, and other impurities from water by forcing water through a special membrane under pressure. When the membrane is clean, the system produces a high quality drinking water. But once the membrane is dirty or foiled, the entire water treatment process begins to suffer. So one of the earliest signs that your membrane is, or your reverse osmosis system is dirty, is reduced water production. If your machine used to produce 1,000 liters per hour but now takes much longer to produce the same amount, your membrane could be clogged. As dirt, bacteria, and minerals builds up on the membrane surface, water struggles to pass through it. And this is what many producers wrongly assume the pump is faulty, when the real problem is simply a dirty membrane. The number 2 sign is high operating pressure. Pay close attention to your pressure gauge. When the RO membrane becomes dirty, the pump must work much harder to force water through the clogged membrane, and you may notice high feed pressure, increase in energy consumption, and more pressure on your pump. Running this system under excessive pressure for a long period of time could damage this expensive equipment. The number 3 sign is poor water quality. This is the most dangerous sign. Even though your water may look crystal clear, the dissolved solid may be increasing. So regularly check your water using TDS meter or conductivity meter. If your TDS reading suddenly rise, it may indicate your RO membrane is dirty, damaged, or nearing to the end of its lifespan. Do not rely on appearance alone. Remember, clear water is not always clean water. Also, if you find yourself cleaning your RO system more often than before, it could mean something is wrong. A healthy system should follow its normal maintenance schedule. However, when scaling, biological growth, or organic contamination becomes excessive, you will notice that the membrane becomes dirty very early. And this usually points to problems such as poor pre-treatment, ineffective multimedia filters, worn out carbon filters, and improper maintenance. Bad smell and slimy deposit is another sign that your membrane is dirty. When bacteria begin to grow in the RO system, you may notice slimy deposit, green or brown stains, and unpleasant odor. These are signs of biofoiling. Biofoiling can seriously reduce your membrane performance and may even contaminate your treated water if ignored. Another sign is increased reject water. Every RO system produces some amount of reject water. However, when the membrane becomes dirty, the amount of reject water increases while the purified water decreases. This means that you are wasting more water and spending more money. So when your recovery rate suddenly drops, inspect your membrane immediately. Frequent pump problems is another sign that your membrane is dirty. A dirty membrane places extra load on your high pressure pump. Over time, you may experience pump overheating, motor overload, excessive vibration, and premature pump failure. Replacing pump is far more expensive than maintaining a clean membrane. So why does the RO even become dirty? Now, there are contributing factors that cause the RO membrane to become dirty. These include hard water minerals such as calcium and magnesium, ion contamination, bacteria and algae, poor pre-filtration, inadequate cleaning, and failure to replace filters on time. So to prevent our RO system from getting dirty, number one, replace sediment filters according to schedule. Replace activated carbon filters before they become exhausted. Check your pressure gauge regularly. Check your TDS readings regularly. Carry out membrane cleaning when pressure increases or production decreases. Keep maintenance records for filter replacement and membrane cleaning. Most importantly, ensure that your operators are well trained. All right, this is all I have for today. If this is your first time on my channel, like this video, share so others can also benefit. If you have a comment, leave it down in the comment section. See you in another video.